putting something that is you put, no? So contrast ito getting, obtaining, ayan o, no? Process of addition of columns of figure. Okay? Sabi niya, pag sinabi natin puting, anong puting? Yan, from top to ito. Yung sa, halimbawa, you add from the left to the right. No? Diba may mga figures dyan, mga dito, meron dito. Then we add to the right. Anong tawag doon? Tawag doon is, kung you put this, you add from top to bottom, that is puting. From the left to the right, that is cross puting. Okay? Hindi naman tayo nagdahag na lagi sa right to the left, di ba? Wala na Chinese, di ba? Chinese kasi yung products lang, no? Naalala niya na. When we put, ano ibig sabihin? When you put, ano ibig sabihin? Diba? From top to bottom. Cross putting, left to right. So what function do general ledger serve in the accounting process? This is summarizing, recording, classifying, reporting. Anong purpose ng ledger? Ang purpose ng ledger? That is for classifying. Recording kasi that is journal, journal. So summarizing yung ginawa na natin doon sa worksheet, summarizing na yun. Pero kung sa journal, ledger pa lang, that is classifying, kasi classify natin sa yung cash, ilipat mo sa cash. Sa accounts receivable, ilipat mo sa accounts receivable. So that is classifying. Basta sa ledger. Chart tulong lang. Chart tulong lang. Journal.